Hello and welcome. So today we'll be learning about dictionaries and loops. So how to create a dictionary using the thisDict function. So a dictionary can be created like this. So suppose I'll create dict as the variable and dict1. So now it can take key value pairs in these curly braces. So suppose keys are A. I've separated them over here. A, B, C are my keys, and to A I'm assigning this as my value, which is 1, 2 as the value to the key B, and 3 as the value to key C. So key value pairs are separated from each other using these commas, and keys are separated from values via this colon over here. So this is how a dictionary is created. So I've created this dict and used the same curly braces but in different lines. So brand, model, year are my keys. Ford, Mustang, 1964 are the values respectively. So let's print this dict and also its type. So as you can see, brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964 is getting printed and the class is obviously dict. So now duplicates like sets are also not allowed in a dictionary. So suppose, let me uncomment this out. I created one more key by the name year and allotted 2020 as its value. So when I'll print, this will raise an error. Syntax error, invalid syntax, because duplicates are not allowed in a dictionary. So let me again comment this out. So how to access keys, values, items. By items I mean key value pairs and also single values of a dictionary. So suppose I have a variable x and to it I am passing this dict and I want to see what keys does it contain. Then I'll print. So it will give me in a list brand, model, year as the keys of this dict, and it will also name it as dict keys. So to my variable y, I can use the dot values function to extract the values in this dictionary and then print it. So I'm getting Ford Mustang 1964 as the dict values. Now I can also extract single values. So I'm using this dict model, that is extract the value of this key, which is model over here. So dictionaries do not have indices like 0, 1, 2, 3, but their keys are their index. So this will give me Mustang as the value. Now this similar result can be achieved through this get method over here. So this dict.get model will also return Mustang. So as you can see, 2 Mustangs are getting printed. Now items, that is key value pairs, can also be extracted from a dictionary using this function over here. Now change items in a dictionary. So if I'll extract this dict year, the key, and I want to change its value from 1964 to 2018, this is how I'll do it. So let's print this dict. And as you can see, the value of year has been modified to 2018. I can achieve this using the update method. To update method, I can pass in this dictionary over here consisting of just one key, which is year, and one value, 2020. So let's print this dictionary. So year 2020 is getting printed over here. Now I can add items to this dictionary as well. So adding items means by adding a key value pair. So I can use this method, that is color. This dict color equals to red. So it added color red as one of its item. I can also achieve this using the update method by passing in this key value pair as a dictionary. and then let's print our this dict. So as you can see, engine 4951cc has been added to this dictionary. Now items can also be removed using pop and delete method. So this dict dot pop and pass in the key, which is engine, so that key value pair will be deleted. So as you can see, now it contains just brand, model, year, color as its keys and their respective values. I can also use del. So del this dict color, and this will delete the color key and also its value from this dictionary. Now printing all key names in this dictionary one by one can be achieved like this. So for X in this dict, so all keys will be printed, not the values, just the keys. So as you can see, brand, model, year got printed. Now to print all the values in the dictionary, you can do this. For X in this dict, print the value. So this dict, and to it goes the key. So this will print the value. So as you can see, Ford Mustang 2020 got printed. There are some functions in Python. So if you want to print keys, you can just use for X in this dict dot values, and it will print all the values for you. As you can see over here, Ford Mustang 2020 got printed. Now you can use dot keys to print all the keys in this dict. So as you can see, brand, model, year got printed. And now if you want items to be printed, that is key value pairs to be printed, then you can use the dot items method. So for X comma Y in this dict dot items, so X stands for the keys, Y stands for the values, and so this method over here dot items returns two values, which is a key and a value. So brand, Ford, model Mustang, year 2020 got printed. Thank you for watching.